I got the gear down, speed brakes out. I'm gonna go flaps 10.
Okay.
Why would they keep us up this high?
They do this all the time.
Traffic.
Northwest Vegas, Tower 996 Charlie on the visual, 1 to right.
November 996 Charlie, Northwest City Tower, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 1 to right, 96 Charlie.
Now, do we want to put the gear down to slow down?
Gear's already down, I just put it down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, as soon as he told me to keep that speed up, you know, so I want to see if I can, 2,000 is the max we can go down. This will be a little interesting.
Yeah, yeah.
Power back, and normally I don't do it like this, but we're going to take it back to the bottom of the green.
75 Whiskey, taxi back for takeoff.
375 Whiskey, runway 12 left, taxi via Delta Alpha.
So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take it off autopilot. We're going to bring it down like this initially, just to get down.
Okay. Via Delta Alpha.
12 left, Delta Alpha.
He said no what, no more than 170?
I don't think you don't have that restriction now.
Yeah. Frequency.
Hotel, to the ramp, with you, A name and go.
And the Gulf, they're just following me down there, waiting for you. If you want to talk to them, they're on 122.9 or 5. Good day.
Alright, 2295, thank you, A name and go.
Okay, you got it. You can take the airplane, okay?
Okay, got the airplane.
The airplane. Let's see, speed brakes are retracted. I want to bring the power
Our 5 Delta Sierra to the right.
as we slow down. Yeah, that keeps bleeding off. Pitch it up just a little bit just to bleed some of the speed, okay?
11 o'clock.
We'll give way to the aircraft Delta.
Okay, alright, so now we got, okay, blow.
Number 906 Charlie, traffic heading to your left, half a mile, basing for the parallel. Diamond Star.
Alright, looking at 96 Charlie. Alright, let's probably go a little more to the right here, huh?
Yeah.
Get a little more room. Yeah. And, okay, so we're back on speed, everything looks good.
Traffic in sight, crew track, 276 and 12 left, clear for the
Okay, where's this guy?
Continue taxing, they're giving way.
I don't know.
Oh, there he is, I see him.
They overshoot this sometimes.
Yeah, you gotta be careful here. Alright, so we're looking pretty good. I'm gonna go full flaps. Yeah, okay, you got it now. Just aim for the numbers. Keep the nose down for me. Just push it over, like you're gonna drive it into the beginning of the runway.
Use caution, wind 130 at 3.
We're still high, so push it over pretty good.
So 245 Delta, taxi 12 left via Delta Alpha.
12 left via Delta Alpha.
We got plenty of speed here. I want to kill that throttle. All the way idle.
Lightsport 460, Romeo, hold short, runway 7 at Golf.
Lightsport 460, Romeo, Northwest City Tower, cross runway 7 at
There you
Golf.
go, just let it coast. Looking good. Doing fine. Good on the ailerons, gears down. Okay, bring it to the horizon. And we're just going to hold it here, little right rudder. Just hold it, just hold it. Just holding it.
Yeah, sweet.
Just like that.
Request kilo ramp.
Okay.
Vegas Tower, County Mobile 7, holding short.
Alright, so let's go on the brakes.
They'll know your voice. Ask them.
Yeah, where's it? Push the truck on this.
Right there, yeah, your fingers.
He knows your voice.
And 96 Charlie would like to have a kilo ramp tower.
Number 96 Charlie, right on kilo to the ramp.
Kilo ramp, thank you. 96 Charlie.
Flaps coming up, fuel pump off.
County Mobile 7, proceed on the runway 12 left via Mike.
Proceeding 12 left via Mike, County Mobile 7, thank you.
County Mobile 7, there's going to be aircraft holding short on Alpha. When you get to the end, you can just make a 180.
Affirmative, if it's okay.
I'm going to want to get some fuel, so it's the...
Oh, okay, because I was going to take you over the hangar.
Sure.
And let you look at my...
Yeah, I'll be happy to look at it.
Just to, you know...
Can we call the FBO for fuel or
Yeah.
not?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Yep.
Project 276, turn cross.
That's what I was going to recommend. I was like, well, we're right here, so.
Okay, Wade.
Yeah, my plane.
Yeah, Wade always taxis.
So we're crossing here. Is this straight ahead?
Yep, straight ahead.
Lightsport 460, Romeo, 12 right full length, clear for takeoff, on the go, fly straight out.
12 right, clear for takeoff, fly straight out, 460, Romeo.
And you said leave it about...
Yeah, just right there, 1100 RPM is fine.
Oh, no, he's not out. Good deal.
I'm sorry, 5 Delta Sierra, hold short of taxiway Alpha.
Hold short, Alpha, 5 Delta Sierra.
Trick 75 Whiskey, runway 12 left, clear for takeoff.
12 left, clear for takeoff, 75 Whiskey.
Per track 276, runway 12 left, clear for the option, short approach approved.
Third approach approved, 12 left, clear for the option, curve track 276.
Yeah, Alex, I can't tell you how many times they've held me up.
Uh-huh.
I don't know with his wing. Let's go a little
Right here, yeah. Yeah.
bit to the right.
Yeah, you got a little more room over here.
Yeah, you're doing fine so far.
Might have a better angle for you.
North Las Vegas Tower.
I'm looking at the shadow.
Here, 4 miles south, Kyle Canyon Roof, 4,100 feet inbound with information, Lima.
No, sir, 513 Delta Sierra North Los Angeles, make straight in, runway 12 right.
Straight in, 12 right.
Okay, so we're right here.
513 Delta.
Okay, so we want to swing this around, right?
No, we can go all the way around.
Like go all the way down
Yeah,
there?
just make a U.
Okay, let's do that. So then it's I'm facing
Runway 12 right at Alpha.
the correct way to go out, right?
Oh, you can go
No,
out.
no, we can go out.
Oh, I can?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
It goes out
Yeah.
now.
Okay, so
Oh, okay.
how do we shut her down?
Let's have the parking brake.
7, same tension.
Okay.
Okay. And then,
Echo.
yeah, to shut down, so I'm going to come over here, blow her down to low. We're going to go here, kill the condition, or mixture.
Oh, mixture.
Yeah, mixture. And then alternators, mags, battery.